Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact damaged thread size and selecting the matching Helicoil kit. This prevents misfit and failure later. Clamp the part firmly so it won't shift and choose the specified drill bit from the kit. Apply cutting oil to reduce heat and improve chip evacuation. Drill straight at a moderate speed. Make a smooth, centered hole. Once done, blow or brush debris away and position your tap and installation tools so you can move directly into tapping without delay. Now thread the hole using the kit's tap. Align it squarely and turn steadily, cutting 1 to 2 turns then backing off to clear chips. This prevents binding and tap breakage. Use lubricant for consistent cutting and watch torque, feel when the tap bites. After completing threads, clean thoroughly and inspect with the thread gauge or the helicoil. If the hole or tap damaged, ream and start over rather than forcing an insert. You want perfect, clean internal threads before insertion. With the coil on the installation mandrel, engage the tang and wind it on until the coil compresses slightly and aligns with the thread start. This ensures correct pitch engagement. Drive the coil down to be flush or just below the surface. Too high will snag, too low reduces strength. Once seated, use the tang brake tool or punch to remove the tang cleanly. Finally, test fit the bolt. If binding occurs, back out, clean, and reseat the coil. Troubleshooting tip: if torque jumps or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.